In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your Indeed profile link so you can quickly and professionally send your information to employers and recruiters. We'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your link, how to copy it, and how to share it confidently. First, make sure you're signed in to your Indeed account and you're on your home dashboard. This is usually the first page you see after logging in, where you can view your recent searches, job recommendations, and application updates. If you're not on that page, you can usually get back to it by clicking the main Indeed logo or the home option at the top of the site. From your home dashboard, look for your account options. These are often located in the top right corner of the screen. You might see your initials, a small profile icon, or an account label there. Click on this area and a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose the option that takes you to your profile page. This is where your resume details, work experience, skills, and other professional information are stored on Indeed. Once you're on your profile page, take a moment to confirm that everything looks the way you want it to appear to employers. Make sure your job title is accurate, your work history is up to date, and your contact preferences are correct. This is important because the link you're about to share will lead employers directly to this page. On your profile page, there will be a section that shows your public profile link. This is the unique web address that points to your Indeed profile. It might appear near the top of the page, often labeled as your public profile URL or shareable link. When you find it, you'll usually have two options. You can either highlight the link and copy it manually, or click a dedicated copy button if one is available. If you're copying manually, click at the beginning of the link, drag to highlight the entire address, then right-click and choose copy, or use your keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. If there's a copy button, a single click will typically copy the link to your clipboard, and you may see a small confirmation message. Now that your link is copied, you're ready to share it with employers or recruiters. You can paste this link into an email, a message on a job platform, or a direct message on professional networking sites. When you paste, use right-click and select paste, or use your keyboard shortcut such as Ctrl+V or Command+V. It's a good idea to add a short note around the link explaining what it is. For example, you might write that this is the link to your Indeed profile where they can view your resume, experience, and relevant skills. This gives context and makes it easier for the person receiving it to understand what they're clicking on. That's all you need to do. Start from your home dashboard, go to your account and open your profile page, copy the profile link, and then share it with employers or recruiters wherever you're communicating with them.